Hello guys, my name is Agni Helenza.
And I am Putri Paskarena.
We will explain about our story. My story is Belangkah Dance.
And my story is Nyambut Temuan.
Okay.
Okay, Agni, I have 15 questions for your story. Number 1. What is Belangkah dance and what does the word Belangkah means?
Belangkah Dance is a traditional Malay dance from West Kalimantan, especially in Pontianak. The word Belangkah comes from the word langkah, which means step or movement of walking.
Okay, number 2. Where is Belangkah dance commonly performed and why it's important in Malay culture?
Belangkah dance is commonly performed at wedding ceremonies, cultural festival, welcoming events, and traditional celebration. It is important because it represents Malay identity and reflects values such as harmony, respect, and togetherness.
Okay, number 3. What values are reflected in Belangkah dance and what social values can be learned from it?
The values reflected in Belangkah dance include cooperation, discipline, politeness, harmony, respect, and togetherness. Social values learned from the dance are cooperation, social harmony, and mutual respect among community and members.
Okay, number 4. What musical instruments are used in Belangkah performance?
Belangkah performers usually use traditional Malay musical instruments such as drums and other local instruments to create rhythm and harmony during the dance.
Okay, number 5. What do male and female dancers usually wear in Belangkah dance?
Male dancers usually wear traditional Malay attire, compete with songket and head coverings, while female dancers wear modest and elegant traditional dresses.
Okay, number 6. Why is rehearsal important before the performance and what skills are needed during practice?
Rehearsal is important because dancers need coordination, harmony timing, and synchronization with the music so the performance can run smoothly and gracefully. During practice, dancers also learn discipline and teamwork.
Okay, number 7. How does the community help preserve the Belangkah tradition?
The community help preserve Belangkah by organizing cultural events, teaching younger generation, and participating in performance and supporting educational and cultural activities.
Number 8. What social values can be learned from Belangkah dance in daily life?
Belangkah teaches social values such as cooperation, discipline, politeness, respect, and responsibility and togetherness that are important in daily life and community relationships.
Okay, number 9. What challenge does Belangkah face in modern society?
Belangkah faces challenges such as globalization, modern entertainment, urbanization, and decreasing interest among young people in traditional culture.
Okay, number 10. How can technology help preserve the Belangkah tradition?
Technology can help preserve Belangkah through social media, videos, online content, and digital platforms that introduce the dance to wider audience and increase public awareness.
Okay, number 11. Why is Belangkah still relevant in modern society today?
Belangkah remains relevant because it is still performed at cultural festivals, tourism events, educational programs, and public ceremonies, while continue to preserve Malay cultural identity.
Okay, number 12. How does Blanca strengthen relationship within the community?
Blanca strengthens relationship because families, neighbors, and community members work together during preparation and celebration, creating cooperation and harmony.
Okay, number 30. What is the role of music in Blanca performance?
Okay, music play an important role because it creates rhythm, guide the dancer movement, and building harmony between the dance and performance atmosphere.
Okay, number 14. Why is it important to study Blanca dance?
It is important to study Blanca dance because it helps preserve cultural heritage, understand cultural diversity, and teach important social and cultural values to younger generation.
Okay, the last number is, what is the main lesson from the Blanca tradition?
The main lesson is from the Blanca traditional is the local culture and tradition are important for preserving identity, history, cooperation, and value for the future generation. Okay, Putri, I have 50 questions about Nyambut Temuai in your story. Number 1 is, what is the meaning of Nyambut Temuai in Daya Iban culture?
Nyambut Temuai is a traditional welcoming ritual of the Daya Iban community to honor and warmly receive guests or visitors.
Okay, number 2 is, where is the Nyambut Temuai tradition still practiced today?
The Nyambut Temuai tradition is still practiced in Panggi Agung village, Kedemba Air Tabun, Ketengah distrik Sintang Regency.
Okay, number 3 is, why is the Nyambut Temuai tradition important for the Daya Iban community?
This tradition is important because it preserves cultural identity, strengthens social relationship, and reflects respect, harmony, and hospitality in the Daya Iban community.
Okay, next is, what values are reflected in the Nyambut Temuai tradition?
The values reflect in the tradition include respect, togetherness, cooperation, harmony, hospitality, sincerity, and mutual understanding.
Number 5 is, what activities are usually performed during the welcoming ceremony?
Activities usually performed during the ceremony include traditional dance, drum and gong music, bamboo cutting rituals, water sprinkling rituals, prayer, and welcoming performances.
Number 6 is, what is the purpose of the bamboo cutting ritual in Nyambut Temuai?
The purpose of the bamboo cutting ritual is to symbolize removing obstacle and opening a patch for guys entering the village.
Number 7, what does the mandau symbolize in Daya Iban culture?
The mandau symbolizes bravery, honor, and the ancestral heritage of the Daya Iban people.
Number 8 is, what is water sprinkled on guests during the ceremony?
Water is sprinkled on guests as a symbol of purification, protection, peace, and the removal of negative energy or bad intention.
Number 9 is, what role do traditional elders play in the ritual?
Traditional elders lead prayers and ritual with the custom and ensure the ceremony is carried out properly according to ancestral tradition.
Number 10 is how does the community participate in the Nyambut Temuai ceremony?
The community participates by preparing food, preparing dance, and music, organizing the ceremony, and welcoming guests together.
And number 11, what social value can be learned from this tradition?
Social value learned from this tradition include cooperation, unity, politeness, hospitality, solidarity, and respect for others.
And 12, how does Nyambut Temuai help preserve Daya Iban cultural identity?
Nyambut Temuai help preserve Daya Iban cultural identity by passing down tradition, traditional arts, and ancestral values to younger generation.
And 30 is what are the similarities between Nyambut Temuai and Tepung Tawar tradition?
The similarity between Nyambut Temuai and Tepung Tawar is the use of water and leaf as symbol of purification, protection, blessing, and goodwill toward guests.
And 40, what challenge does the Nyambut Temuai tradition face in modern society?
The tradition faces challenges such as modernization, changing lifestyle, and decreasing interest among younger generation in learning traditional art and ritual.
And the last is why is it important for younger generation to study and preserve this tradition?
It is important for younger generation to study and preserve this tradition to protect cultural heritage, maintain cultural identity, and continue the ancestral values of respect, harmony, and togetherness.
Okay.